Welcome to Cars and Coding. Today we're going to replace a headliner on a 2005 Honda Civic. And I'm going to show you how to remove it and install a new one. Step by step. It's really not hard. It's like just a few screws and some panels. I mean, unless you like the flying carpet look of this, then you just leave it, but probably not. So right here is I'll show you. I went to the junkyard and I got a headliner out of a 2004 Honda Civic hybrid, and for some reason the hybrid headliners are much better. The fabric is just much better and it doesn't sag. So this is what you want. This is a hybrid Honda Civic 2004. You can see the headliner is perfect. These ones don't have fabric on the headliner. So we're going to take this all off. Just look for screws as we go. There's one up in there. Shouldn't be too many. We're just going to take them all off and then we're going to swap it out. The absolutely only tools you need is a pick and a Phillips head screwdriver. Alright, I'm going to start with the sun visors and take them off. Should be a... Yep. There'll be another one over here. Yep. Alright, see under the cover there's a screw. There's going to be one over there too. Alright, that comes down. Like that. And we'll just take these off with a Phillips head. Oh, that's not a Phillips head. That's actually a Torx. Okay, well, let's get a Torx. Alright, got the Torx. I think it's a T25. Yeah, well, okay, so do that. Do it on that side. While I'm sitting here, I'm going to take this off. These are very easy to take off too. You just take your pick, put it right here, take this off. Same thing on this side, and then take the screw out. There's two screws. So I just took one out. That's that side. Then you take off that side. Okay. So now that we got the grab bar off and the visor off, the only thing left holding this on here is this weather strip, which you can just pull off like that. So all you gotta do is kind of pull it off like that. And then that just comes off like that. Alright, here's the trick on these. There's a little slot in the back. Stick a pickup in there, push, then you can turn it. Then you can turn it, and then it just comes down. What you're pushing on is this tab right here. Okay, here's the trick for getting this pillar down. First, you just take off this and this, like that. Okay. Take down this weather strip, like that. Now pull this out. And then slide it down. There was a little clip down here. I was holding it. Once you have that, then it will slide down, just like that. There you go. You don't have to take this off. Okay, then we got these pillars in the back here, and you just pull them like that. That's it. You don't even have to take them all the way out. That's good enough. Here we got the dome light. That's it. 2 screws. So once the screws are out, then let's see, how's this clipped in? Okay. Just comes down after you squeeze it. Okay. Now, when you have everything disconnected, then there are 2 clips right near the back. There, you just pull down, and you got them. That's it. Shouldn't be anything else, yeah. Alright, so now we're going to put this driver's seat all the way back, and we're going to get it out this rear door here. Alright, now we're going in with the new one. Make sure I do it the right way. Alright, we're all done. Got it all in. Everything's back up. This is the way to go. You gotta get the hybrid 2004 headliner. It's perfect. Take a look. I mean, I still got tan sun visors, but the rest of it is perfect. And I got the grab handles that are gray. Yep. All good. It's easy to get sun visors. Just didn't grab them when I was there. But that's smooth as new. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. There's more videos for Honda 2005. I got everything from engine repair to brakes, everything. Just check out the playlist that's going to be up in the corner here. One of these. See you next time.